Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see 15th lesson Simple Future Tense. Okay, let's get started. Read what Bonnie is telling her friend Tina about her plans for the weekend. Underline the verbs. On Saturday, I'll go boating with my cousins at Ambajhari Lake. On Sunday, my cousins will come to my house. We will play all day. We'll go, we'll play. Okay? That sounds great. Have fun. Okay, simple future tense means it talks about the action that will happen in the future. Okay? We use will or shall plus the base of the verb form. Okay. Tom will throw the ball. Will. Simple future. You will eat the cake. Negative what? You will not. Okay. Questions. How to make question? Will you or will I? Okay. So here they give some examples of simple present, past and future. I cook, I cooked, I will cook. He runs, he ran, he will run. Okay, in the same way you have to do. Let's start. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verbs. The bus dashed to pick you up at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Will come. Bus will come. What dash you dash if you lose your way? What will you do if you lose your way? The chief guest dash any moment now. The chief guest will arrive. Next week I dash the library. Next week I will visit. Akshat dash from his trip on Thursday. Will return. Will return. I dash film tickets in the evening. I will buy. Tomorrow she dash this town. Tomorrow she will leave this town. Tina dash to Mumbai next month. Tina will travel to Mumbai next month. Understood? Next. Change the following sentences into simple future tense. You have to change. He woke up early in the morning. He will wake up. He will wake up early in the morning. I watched the sunrise today. I will watch the sunrise today. Next, cooking gives me pleasure. Cooking will give me pleasure. They caught the ball. They will catch the ball. The stool broke because of the heavy suitcase. The stool will break because of the heavy suitcase. Animals drink water from the stream. Animals will drink water from the stream. He sang a song for me. He will sing a song for me. I bought a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. I will buy a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. Understood? Next, let us write. Minnie's plans for her trip to Goa are given below. Using this, complete the letter to her friend Madhu. Visit beach, swimming, go shopping, eat. Dear Madhu, I am going to Goa this weekend with my parents. When I reach Goa, I will visit the beach. Then I will meet relatives. At the beach, I will go swimming. I will go swimming. During vacation, I dash. During vacation, I'll go shopping. I hope that I will eat different kinds of food. Also, I will enjoy the sunset. After all the fun in Goa, I return home on Saturday. I will return home on Saturday. Understood? For this we finished our 15th lesson, simple future tense. Tomorrow we will see the 16th, can, may, should, must. Okay, thank you.